Okay, next. A circular hole 4 inches in diameter and 1 feet deep in a metal block is rebored to increase the diameter to 4.12 inches. Estimate the amount of material removed in inch cube, no? So meron daw hole. So may butas. Ito kunwari yung butas. Ayan kunwari yung butas sa isang certain ano. May butas kunwari na ganyan, no? So ngayon, yung butas na yan, okay? Binutasan, pinalaki, no? Pinalaki siya. So parang nagbutas pa, baga, saturate ko na lang din. Ayan, binutasan siya ng ganyan. So pinalaki lang yung hole. So ang tinatanong na sa, ano daw yung amount ng material na natanggal? Okay, so, well, I think this is simple. Basically, to calculate the volume of this part, kumbaga itong volume lang na to ang kailangan natin na yung nasa labas na volume, ayan. Okay, so we can just make use of the volume of the red cylinder minus yung volume ng black na cylinder. Yun na yun. Yun na yung difference in the volume, no? Okay? So, if we would do that, we would have, ano ba volume ng ano? So, binigay nga pala yung diameter, no? So, ang diameter nito is 4 inches. Diameter naman nito, 4.12. Okay, so gamitin na lang natin diameter. So this is pi over 4 times 4.12 squared. And take note, ito ay ano, yung depth niya is 1 feet. So 12 inches. So be careful, no? So kasi inches yung kailangan. So times 12. Okay? Minus, yung volume naman ng block is pi over 4 times 4 squared times 12. Ayan. Tapos kapag kinompute lang natin yung part na walang pi, lalabas dyan ay 4.12 squared over 4 times 12 minus 4 squared over 4 times 12. So lalabas ay 2.92 approximately. 2.9232 pi. So tama to. Tama yan. Inches cube. However, wala sa choices. No? Bakit kaya? Most likely, ang ginawa dito ng examiner is in-apply yung um, approximation due to using differentials. No? So malamang ang ginawa dito is approximation due to using differential. No? So, using differentials for approximation. Okay, so ano ba muna ang volume nitong cylinder? 'Di ba? I mean, tama, cylinder, 'di ba? V is equal to pi. Okay, so this time, sige, okay lang. Gawin natin diameter, no? Pi over 4 times diameter squared times h, no? Yan, no? So pi over 4 diameter squared times h. And then, alam naman natin yung h, constant naman. So yung diameter lang yung nagbago. So dito, meron tayong change in diameter. No? Differential ng diameter is 4.12 minus 4. That is 0.12. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pag dinifferentiate natin ito, so we will have differential volume equals 2 pi over 4 diameter times derivative of diameter or differential of diameter times h. So yung h constant lang guys, no? Hindi naman yan variable. So pag sinubstitute na natin ngayon yung mga values, we will have magiging pi over 2 na lang to. Yung original diameter dapat ito, which is 4. Ang differential diameter is 0.12 times 12 inches. And kapag kinompute natin dito, yung mga constant without the pi, we will have 1/2 times 4 times 0.12 times 12. Okay, at dito lalabas 2.88 pi. Okay, so tama rin ito, pero ito using approximation lang. Okay, using differential approximation. So, baka kasi itong tanong na ito ay pinulot mula sa isang calculus book, no? Kaya yun yung naging sagot. Pero kung ang tanong na to ay pinulot mula sa isang solid geometry or solid mensuration book, ito yung sagot. Okay? Pero ito talaga yung exact, no? Ito ay approximation lang. So anyway, our answer here would be letter A. And that's how we solve this problem.